Have you ever wondered how some people are always so lucky? They always seem to get what they want effortlessly, and good things just seem to gravitate towards them. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic on how to become more lucky and attract good things into your life. Luck. Some say it's purely chance, but others believe you can actually attract good fortune. Neville Goddard, a prominent figure in the realm of New Thought philosophy, taught that our imagination and beliefs shape our reality. By visualizing our desires and feeling them as already achieved, we align ourselves with the reality we want to create. This is often referred to as the law of assumption. If you assume you are lucky, you'll begin to experience luckier circumstances. One of the key steps to becoming more lucky is cultivating a positive mindset. This isn't just about blind optimism, it's about truly believing that good things can and will happen to you. Every morning, take a few minutes to visualize your goals. Imagine yourself achieving them, and feel the emotions associated with that success. This practice aligns your subconscious with your desires, making it easier for opportunities to flow into your life. Take the example of Jim Carrey. Before he became famous, he wrote himself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered and dated it Thanksgiving 1995. He kept it in his wallet, and just before that date, guess what? He received a role that paid him exactly $10 million. This is a powerful testament to the power of visualization and belief. Gratitude is another powerful tool. By appreciating what you already have, you open the door for more positive experiences. Start a daily gratitude journal. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. This simple practice shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, creating a positive energy that attracts even more abundance. A real-life example of this is Oprah Winfrey. She credits much of her success to her gratitude practice, stating that acknowledging her blessings has brought her more to be grateful for. While mindset and gratitude are crucial, taking inspired action is equally important. This means following your intuition and acting on the opportunities that come your way. Richard Branson, the founder of Virgin Group, is known for his adventurous spirit and willingness to take risks. He often says, "Screw it, let's do it." This highlights the importance of seizing opportunities and taking action. Your luck grows with each step you take towards your goals. Be proactive and stay open to new experiences. Now, let's dive deeper into the practice of visualization. It's not just about seeing the end result, but also visualizing the steps that lead to it. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing not just your success, but the process of achieving it. For example, if you want to get a promotion, visualize yourself working diligently, collaborating with colleagues, and successfully completing projects. See yourself in that new position and what life would look like after getting the promotion. Feel how you'd feel if that situation was real. This way, you're not only focusing on the outcome, but also preparing your mind for the journey. Another technique is affirmations. Positive affirmations can reprogram your mind to believe in your potential and attract positive outcomes. Write down affirmations that resonate with you, such as "I am a magnet for good fortune" or "Opportunities come to me easily and effortlessly." Repeat them daily, preferably in front of a mirror, to reinforce these beliefs. Make sure whenever you recite these affirmations you actually believe them. Believe that you are a magnet for good things and wonderful people, and you'll start to see your reality shift. At first, it might feel strange and a bit silly, but as you persist and these beliefs take root, you'll begin to notice positive changes in your life. Soon you'll even start wondering why you didn't start this journey sooner. Let's talk about the environment and the people you surround yourself with. Surrounding yourself with positive, supportive people can significantly impact your luck. If you're around people who believe in abundance and success, their energy can influence your mindset. You will start thinking like them and adapt their mindset. On the other hand, spending time with negative or pessimistic people can hinder your progress. These are not the kind of people you want to be around, so choose your company wisely. Additionally, decluttering your physical space can have a profound effect on your mental state and ability to attract positive experiences. A tidy and organized environment can clear your mind and create room for new opportunities. You cannot expect to attract good things in your life if even your own space is a mess. I am sure you've heard that quote that your outer world is a reflection of your inner world. This means that the way a person organizes and maintains their private surroundings, like their bedroom or office, there can reflect their state of mind, emotions, or personality. If someone's space is cluttered, disorganized, and chaotic, it says a lot about their thoughts, feelings, and overall mental state. So spend some time each week organizing your living and working spaces, and notice how this positively impacts your mindset and productivity. This brings us to our next point about taking care of your mental and physical health. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient sleep can significantly boost your energy levels and overall outlook on life. When you feel good physically, it's easier to maintain a positive mindset and be open to new opportunities. Meditation and mindfulness practices can also help you stay grounded and focused on your goals. To sum it up, becoming more lucky and attracting good things in your life involves visualizing your success, practicing gratitude, taking inspired action, surrounding yourself with positive influences, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and staying organized. Remember, you have the power to shape your reality. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Everyday Living, and share your thoughts in the comments below. How do you attract luck in your life? We'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.